Having trouble sending picture messages on Boost Mobile? It's often due to incorrect APN or MMSC settings. The APN acts as the gateway connecting your phone to Boost's data network. The MMSC is the server that handles MMS messages. For Boost Mobile, the correct APN settings are APN Boost MMSC mm/20.net, MMS proxy.mobile.net, MMS port 80, MCC 310 MN, and APN type default MMS supl. To fix this, manually update these settings in your phone's mobile network settings. After making changes, restart your device. Most MMS issues on Boost Mobile stem from these misconfigurations, which is why fixing these settings will likely solve your issue. If APN and MMSC settings are correct, but MMS still doesn't work, try toggling your mobile data off and on. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network and clear temporary glitches. Also ensure mobile data is enabled and you're not just connected to Wi-Fi. MMS requires an active cellular data connection. If that doesn't work, make sure your device software is up to date. Updates often include fixes for MMS compatibility. Check for conflicting messaging apps that might interfere with MMS functionality. For iOS users, reinstalling the carrier profile can help. Go to Settings, General, About, then Carrier. If all else fails, contact Boost Mobile support for specific assistance with network issues in your area. With these fixes, you can usually resolve MMS problems and get back to sending multimedia messages.